Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve some of the trigonometry identities questions. To solve those questions, we are going to use these key points. Tan x equal to sin x over cos x, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x, sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. Along with that, we are going to use the algebra formula like a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay. The first question is, prove the identity sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Let's take the common denominator, which is cos theta plus sin theta multiplied by cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta cos theta minus sin square theta plus 1 multiplied by cos theta plus sin theta minus cos square theta minus cos theta sin theta. In the numerator, we can cancel these two terms and we have cos theta plus sin theta minus cos square theta and minus sin square theta. Cos theta plus sin theta, we'll take minus commonly from this, so we get sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by, in the denominator this is of the form a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square, that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. The numerator becomes cos theta plus sin theta minus 1, because we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In the denominator, we need answer in terms of sin theta only. So for cos square theta, we will substitute in terms of sin theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So this becomes cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So which is the right hand side expression. So hence we proved it. The next question is, show the tan theta divided by sin theta minus sin theta divided by tan theta is equal to tan theta sin theta. So here let's take common denominator, which is sin theta tan theta. So numerator, it becomes tan square theta minus sin square theta. So for tan theta, let's substitute sin theta divided by cos theta. So this becomes sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by sin theta multiplied by sin theta divided by cos theta. So this can be written as, take the common denominator in the numerator part. So you get sine square theta minus sine square theta cos square theta divided by cos square theta divided by sine square theta divided by cos theta. This can be written as, let's take sine square theta commonly, multiplied by 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta multiplied by cos theta divided by sine square theta. So this sine square theta and this sine square theta gets cancelled, and here the power gets cancelled with this cos theta. So this is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. So sine square theta divided by cos theta. This can be written as sine theta multiplied by sine theta and divided by cos theta. So sine theta tan theta. Okay, tan theta multiplied by sine theta, both are same only. Next, the question is, prove the identity sine theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta minus cos theta equal to tan square theta plus 1 minus tan square theta minus 1. Again, take the common denominator to solve this one. Sine theta plus cos theta multiplied by sine theta minus cos theta. Numerator sine square theta minus sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to, these two gets cancelled. So numerator we get sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by, the denominator is of the form a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So sine square theta minus cos square theta. Next, in the numerator we have sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. But here we are not supposed to use that formula, because in the numerator we need tan square theta plus 1. Okay. So to get that answer, we are going to divide the numerator and denominator by cos square theta. So sine square theta divided by cos square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta divided by sine square theta divided by cos square theta minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. And we know sine square theta divided by cos square theta is tan square theta. This cos square theta divided by cos square theta gets cancelled, so we get plus 1 divided by tan square theta. And this also gets cancelled, so minus 1. So we proved this. Next Question number 4. Prove that sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1 divided by cos square theta is equal to 2 tan theta. The numerator is of the form a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let's use that formula. So sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta minus 1 divided by cos square theta. Combine the term sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So we get 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by cos square theta. These two gets cancelled. So we get 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos square theta. So this cos theta and this get cancelled. So we get this is equal to 2 sin theta divided by cos theta, which is nothing but 2 tan theta. The next question is prove the identity sin square x minus cos x minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x equal to minus cos x, which can be written as 1 minus cos square x minus cos x minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x. This 1 and this negative 1 gets cancelled. So in the numerator we have minus cos square x minus cos x. So let's take minus cos x commonly. We get 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. These two gets cancelled. So this is equal to minus cos x. The next question is show that the equation 7 tan theta divided by cos theta plus 12 is equal to 0 can be expressed as 12 sin square theta minus 7 sin theta minus 12 equal to 0. For tan theta, let's substitute sin theta divided by cos theta. So we get this as 7 sin theta divided by cos square theta plus 12 equal to 0. Now let's take a common denominator. So 7 sin theta plus 12 cos square theta divided by cos square theta equal to 0. We need the answer in terms of sin theta only. So for cos square theta, we'll substitute sin 1 minus sin square theta. 7 sin theta plus 12 multiplied by 1 minus sin square theta. When the cos square theta in the denominator goes to other side, it will become 0. So we get minus 12 sin square theta plus 7 sin theta plus 12 equal to 0, or we can write this as divide the whole term by negative 1. We get 12 sin square theta minus 7 sin theta minus 12 equal to 0. So hence we proved this. The next question is, show that the equation cos theta multiplied by 7 tan theta minus 5 cos theta equal to 1 can be written in the form a sin square theta plus b sin theta plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are integers to be found. So this can be written as cos theta 7 cos theta tan theta minus 5 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 0. 7 cos theta, for tan theta substitute sin theta divided by cos theta, minus 5 cos square theta. We need the answer in terms of sine only. So for cos square theta, we will substitute 1 minus sine square theta. So 5 multiplied by 1 minus sine square theta minus 1 equal to 0. This cos theta gets cancelled. So we get 7 sine theta minus 5 plus 5 sine square theta minus 1 equal to 0. Let's rearrange this one. So we get 5 sine square theta plus 7 sine theta minus 6 equal to 0. So we have written the given equation in the form a sine square theta plus b sine theta plus c equal to 0, where the value of a is 5 and b is 7 and c is negative 6. The next question is, show that the equation 4 sin x plus 5 divided by tan x plus 2 divided by sin x equal to 0 may be expressed in the form a cos square x plus b cos x plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are integers to be found. So this can be written as 4 sin x plus 5 divided by sin x divided by cos x, which can be written as sin x cos x will come to the numerator. So plus 2 divided by sin x equal to 0. So now take the common denominator. So we get 4 sin square x plus 5 cos x plus 2, right? So this is equal to 0. So here we got 4 sin square x plus 5 cos x plus 2 equal to 0. But we need answer only in terms of cos theta. So for sin square theta, let's substitute 1 minus cos square x. So 4 multiplied by 1 minus cos square x plus 5 cos x plus 2 is equal to 0, minus 4 cos square x plus 5 cos x plus 2 plus 4 equal to 0. Now multiply whole term by negative 1. So we get 4 cos square x minus 5 cos x minus 6 equal to 0. So we need to find the integers a, b, c. So the a, b, c value is a is 4, b is negative 5 and c is negative 6. The next question is, Show that the equation 5 cos theta minus sin theta tan theta plus 1 equal to 0 may be expressed in the form a cos square theta plus b cos theta plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant to be found. So the equation is 5 cos theta minus sin theta. For tan theta, let's substitute sin theta divided by cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So we get 5 cos theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Let's take common denominator. So we get 5 cos square theta minus sin square theta plus cos theta equal to 0. The denominator goes to other side. So we get 0. So we need the answer only in terms of cos square theta. So for sin theta, sin square theta, we will substitute 1 minus cos square theta. Five cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta plus cos theta equal to 0. 5 cos square theta plus cos square theta becomes 6 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So the value of A is 6, B is 1 and C is negative 1. The next question is prove the identity tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta minus 1 equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So for tan, let's substitute sin theta divided by cos theta. So here sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus 1 divided by sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus 1 equal to, let's take the common denominator. So sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. These two gets cancelled. So numerator we get sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta. But in the denominator we have only the cos square theta term. So for sin square theta we will substitute 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 2 cos square theta.